Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop lamb chops. Trim the rib bones, season the meat, and set up a hot grill or skillet. Start by removing excess fat and exposing 1 to 2 inches of bone for presentation. Pat the chops dry, then apply salt, pepper, and garlic evenly. Let them rest at room temperature briefly while you preheat the cooking surface and prepare a quick herb butter. Sprinkle salt evenly and press herbs into the meat before cooking to lock in flavor. Use rosemary and lemon zest for a bright contrast to the lamb's richness, and brush each chop with olive oil to help sear and prevent sticking. If you like spice, add a light pinch of cayenne or smoked paprika. Keep seasoning simple so the lamb remains the star, and taste as you go when making your herb butter. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after trips to the market or farmer's stand, and it pairs humorously with lamb runs from the butcher. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a fresh ride. Now let's get back to the video. Sear the chops over high heat to develop a golden crust, then finish in the oven if needed for even doneness. Aim for an internal temperature of about 125 degrees F for medium rare, knowing carryover will raise it a few degrees while resting. Rest the chops under foil for roughly 5 minutes to keep them juicy. Serve with a spoonful of herb butter and a squeeze of lemon to brighten each bite and enhance flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.